I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the device powered and the Google Home app open. Now begin pairing. With your phone on the same network you'll eventually use, tap Add Device and choose Set up New Device. You'll see a code on the TV, confirm that it matches the app. Once done, the app scans for Chromecast signals. This immediate pairing step verifies device authenticity and starts the secure setup handshake between your phone and Chromecast. Once the TV code is confirmed, you'll pick the Wi-Fi network. Select your SSID and type the password exactly, because a single wrong character breaks the link. Make sure you allow Bluetooth and local network permissions so the app can complete provisioning. The app uses Bluetooth initially, then hands off to Wi-Fi for streaming. After sending credentials, the Chromecast connects and may download updates. Wait through that to ensure firmware and features are current. Finish by naming the device and running a quick cast test from YouTube or a Chrome tab to verify streaming. If casting fails, first reboot the router and Chromecast, then reattempt. Network congestion or wrong band selection often causes issues. If problems persist, switch to the other Wi-Fi band or move the Chromecast closer to the router. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Hold the button until the LED blinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.